March 2024, Guelph Hyundai in Guelph, Ontario.
Hi, my name is Shahid Malik and I already have passed the Georgian OMVIC exam and I am looking forward to work in the car industry and see myself growing. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Diaz. I'm looking forward to getting an opportunity to work for Hyundai for you guys.
Hi, my name is Reese McTaggart and I'm excited to work here.
Okay, my name is Kingston Nahanik and I'm glad to work here. Give me an opportunity. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Bertie Martin. I live about 5 minutes away and I'm excited to work here.
Okay. My name is Mubashir Sajid and I'm interested in the auto industry, wanting to work in the auto industry.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Travis. I'm about 30 minutes away and I'm looking forward to working here at Hyundai.
Hello, my name is Raj and I'm looking forward to kickstart my professional career in auto cars industry. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Marissa Morshauser, and I'm looking forward to the opportunity to work here at Guelph Hyundai, and I look forward to any growth that this opportunity may bring.
Hello, my name is Musa. I'm looking forward to working in Guelph Hyundai to start my new car sales.
Hi, my name is Navdeep Kaur. I live 30 minutes away from here. I'm in sales from last 6 years, and I would love to work in the sales industries from now onward. Thank you.
Good.
Hello, my name is Maya. I'm looking for a career to grow within, and I'm hoping it would be this one. And I want to be the month, what they call it, the employee of the year.
Good. All right. Okay, good.